Welcome everyone. This video is about March 2021 attempt. We will solve it in accordance with latest tax law for tax year 2023. This particular video is about question 2 of this attempt. Please read the question carefully. The question is of 5 marks. So you should be able to solve it under 9 minutes. In this question you will learn about minimum tax calculation under section 113. This is also called turnover tax, because entire calculation is based on turnover. For those who don't know what a turnover is, it is also called sales. 2 scenarios have been mentioned. In scenario 1, sales figure is 12.5 million, including sales tax. In scenario 2, sales figure is 11 million, including sales tax. Let's revise section 113 first. In case of individual, if turnover or sales is 100 million or above, then minimum tax will be applicable. Turnover has also been defined in this section. It tells us what should be included in turnover and what should be excluded. Please note that sales tax should be excluded from turnover. Now we come back to our question. It is required to compute income tax payable. And this computation is required under both scenarios. Please note that this is an old question, when turnover limit for applicability of section 113 was 10 million. Since now applicability limit has been increased to 100 million, that's why we will solve this question with enhanced figures of 125 million and 110 million. Taxable income is given in question. The amount given is rupees 1.6 million. Let's put it first in our answer format. For this taxable income, find out rate of tax. Tax rates of non-salaried person will be required. These rates are always given in exam, so no need to memorize it. Fourth slab is applicable here. Use this slab to compute tax imposed. Tax imposed comes to rupees 130,000. In absence of any tax credits, tax payable is very easy to calculate. Tax payable is rupees 130,000. Now we will compare this tax payable with minimum tax. Start with turnover figures under both scenarios. This is sales inclusive of sales tax. Sales tax rate is 17%. To find out value excluding sales tax, multiply sales figure with 100 by 117. Now we have our sales excluding sales tax. In scenario 2, the sales is less than 100 million. Therefore minimum tax will not be applicable. However, in scenario 1, sales figure is more than 100 million, therefore minimum tax will be applicable. Rate of minimum tax is 1.25%. Multiply it with sales figure to find out turnover tax. Turnover tax comes to rupees 1,335,470. Let's call it working one. We will use it in our main answer format. Mention working reference for convenience of examiner. For scenario 1, turnover tax will be compared with normal tax. Minimum tax is higher, so this will be income tax payable. The excess amount due to minimum tax should also be calculated. This will be computed by deducting normal tax from minimum tax. Figure comes to rupees 1,205,470. This will be carried forward to 3 subsequent tax years. In case of scenario 2, there is no minimum tax. Therefore normal income tax of rupees 130,000 will be income tax payable. Congratulations! You did it! Your answer is complete now. You can ask your questions in comments section. See you all in our next video.